Good day, my YouTube family. You're welcome back to Convicee Farms, your organic farming channel. In new subscribers, you are welcome. Compliments of the season. Hope we all enjoyed our celebration. So this video is about our harvests. It's our harvests. The three sites where we actually planted. We planted in three different locations. This one is the second one, but this one we actually had a bitter experience from the second one, but that's a story for another day. I'll tell you the whole story of what we encountered in this particular site. It was not a funny one, but we thank God for everything, that we did not lose everything. I'll tell you the story about this particular site later. Then this is the third site where we planted. But that second one was our major, where we had our bitter experience. So this is our almost all the harvest. Before I video this, we've already taken out some of the yams. So these, not all, but almost all. You can see at that wall that is empty, we've removed some tubers of yams from that area, and it's what's actually remaining from the three sites we harvested our yams from. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.